Right behind me is Universal's Islands of Adventure, and today is a very special day because the park, as well as Universal City Walk, are celebrating 25 years here at the resort. A very momentous occasion. We're here to basically see all, basically here for the fun. Gonna be a lot of fun today. I hear that some new drink offerings are available today only over at the Mythos restaurant, which we have actually never been inside of, but we have a reservation later tonight. We're gonna go around the park, do everything that was here on opening day. Gonna be a lot of fun. So join us now here on this very special episode of ParkTwister. You're not gonna wanna miss a thing. Starting things off right, we are heading to Cat in the Hat over in Seuss Landing.
Make that cat go away! You do not want to play! He should not be about when your mother is out!
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are so okay. They will come here to No, not in the house.
Should the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites! In a house, they should not!
As fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame. Come on, together. I always pick up my plaything, so I will show you another trick that I know. Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
Tell me, what did you do? I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
So we just rode the Cat in the Hat, and it's kind of cool because a lot of the effects that, at least to my knowledge, have not been working in years were functional, which is kind of cool. Kind of cool that they're keeping up with the old technology to make it fresh and new, but then of course a lot of the effects that have been working were not operating. It was weird, but Cat in the Hat, still a classic. It's a 4 to 5 minute dark ride that uses what might be old technology, but still a unique one here at the park that I hope they never get rid of because it's definitely a fan favorite.
Over blue! Blue! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Molly, what are you doing?
I'm listening to the instructions!
Checking out some of the 25th merch for Islands, which is exactly what I'm wearing right now. The shirt goes for, let's see, $27. Then this nice hoodie right here, this nice sweatshirt, goes for, let's see the price, $55. You got the same shirt that they sold during HHN, only saying Universal Orlando across the front. This goes for $30. I'm realizing now that we are pretty short on time, only 2 hours until dinner time at Mythos to do still like half the park. So we are heading on over to River Adventure now to knock that one out of the way. Before we move on past Toon Lagoon, we have to go back to Sea Haven. So one of my favorite Easter eggs here that has actually been here for around as long as the park has been, a hidden treasure map essentially. Basically, there is a hidden treasure map on the back of the ride safety warning sign over by Popeye's Bilge Rat Barges ride. So next time you look for it, look very carefully and follow that treasure map, and it will lead you to X marks the spot right here in Sea Haven. Hands down, the best view in the entire park. My vote is to bring something back to the Toon Lagoon Theater right here behind me. A shell of its former self. Prime real estate for pretty much anything, but at least they can bring back a show, right? Now, fun fact about the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, Stan Lee actually appears 4 times on the ride, so let me know if you've been able to spot each time that he's appeared in the background of the attraction.
The library officials ordered detailing is during your stay. Your safety will be guaranteed by
Abject terror. This is intentional and is of direct benefit to these terrorists.
So Molly just pointed out this fun little Easter egg on the merch card over here. It says IOA 1999, which of course is the year the park opened. Okay, and now we made it to Mythos restaurant for our 8 o'clock dinner reservation. Let's head right on in. Now, I don't know how it took me so long to finally step foot into this restaurant, but I am absolutely loving the architecture here. Wow, just look how grand it is on the inside. Unbelievable. Alright, let's take a look at the menu. They got roasted beef hummus, shrimp mies, baked lamb meatballs. A lot of very good options. Okay, so here are our drinks, which I am very excited to try. We got the Pyrock and Blizzrock, each for $11. Just look at this, guys. Can't believe they made a drink. 2 drinks off of the Dueling Dragons roller coaster, which used to be at the park. Okay, so I think I like the Pyrock a little bit more. The Blizzrock, I tasted a bit too much of the Sprite. Still, both are very good and I can't recommend them enough. For the table, we got the Spanakopita dip. Of course, I went with the souvlaki bowl. with my choice of the chicken kebab, but beef is also an option. I basically ended up eating most everything in my bowl. It was very delicious. Can't recommend it enough. Well, 25 years. She's still my favorite theme park ever, at least until Epic Universe opens. But Islands of Adventure 25 years, wow. We did one lap around the park, basically did all of the, or at least most of the opening day attractions here, such as Cat in the Hat, Jurassic Park River Adventure, the Hulk, a lot of great attractions. Here's to another 25 years. Islands of Adventure, definitely still great as always. And of course we rounded it out eating at Mythos restaurant, which was definitely a treat. That's something that I've never done before, that I've always wanted to do. But guys, until next time, this has been another episode of ParkTwister, signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.